unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Eyescream Beauty Box. Now, if you're not familiar, Eyescream Beauty Box is a monthly beauty subscription. There are two different sizes to choose from. The bag is $12.50 per month, and you get 3 to 4 full-size items, including an eyeshadow palette. Now, the box is $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items, including a palette in each box. So let's go ahead and see what she sent for June. Ooh, this is what it looks like when you open it. June. Summer days and summer nights is our theme, and it gives you a list of the products and their retail prices. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I am going to pull out is this. This is the Bo Babe Beauty highlighting drops. They retail for $35. Let's see, liquid, and this is in the color Champagne. It doesn't really say much other than apply drops to the high points of the face to add dimension. And that is just about it. So let's go ahead and open this up. How come these are always so hard to open? Ooh, fancy. Oh, look at this bottle. Look at that. So I'm going to shake them. And let's take a look. Okay. I'm going to take a look at that. I don't have anything in there. Is mine not operational? Having trouble here. It's like this isn't working. Well, let's take a look at it anyway. So that's what it looks like when you put it on and you see. Now these kind of products, they can be used with your eyeshadow too, so don't forget that. That is what that looks like. It's very natural looking. I like that. I just rubbed it out just a little bit more so that it would look just a little bit more natural. But I am having trouble with my stopper. For some reason it's not picking up the product. It's not sucking. So I do have a problem with that. Do you know how to fix that? Let me know if you do. I did a little more investigating, and I discovered that on the very end there was like this dry piece. So I poked it out with a toothpick, and this puffed up right away. We're going to go in and we're going to get some of that. Yep, look at that, it filled up. So now it works. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Deuce. I believe this is Deuce. My last video that had this product in it, I first said Cloche because it looks like CL, right? So I'm like, Cloche. I'm like, no, that's not it. And I'm like, Douce was the second thing I said. But I do believe it's just Deuce. And this is the Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. So let's go ahead and take a peek at this. This retails for $24. Ooh, I like the packaging. Now, I'm not going to open it because I've got other mascara going, and these only last 3 months. So as soon as you open it, the time clock starts. So I will put a picture of what the brush looks like. Let's see, does it say anything? It doesn't say. Lengthening and volumizing mascara, and it is in the color black. So I'm always happy to get that. The next thing is, this is Bibella. These are 2 Lip Perfection pencils, and you can see the colors right there. This is the Day and Night Lip Liner Duo for $7. And so is that, well, it's 2 of them. So the duo is $7. Okay. So let's take a look at one. Now this one does seem to be rather dark, but that's okay, because if you have a lighter lipstick, you can darken it by putting something like this underneath it, or to give it a little bit of a different tint or hue. And this one is a lot like the one that I normally would wear. It does seem to be a little bit more pink. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, okay. So this is a regular pencil that you need to sharpen. Oh, that goes on nice. It's not super creamy soft, so it is a hard pencil. There you go. So, you know, this can take some, like this lipstick, this could make it just a little bit pinker, you know? Or to give it a different hue around the outside of the lip to add dimension. So yes, happy to get those. The next thing, look at this. Look how big that is. This versatile kabuki brush is perfect for applying and blending bronzers, highlighters, lotions, foundations, and many more. Easy application for a seamless finish every time. And this is Cherry Rose Beauty. Cheeky Rose. Well, what that's a, oh, it is cheeky. Cheeky Rose Beauty. Gonna be kind of hard to see that. Now this retails for $42. This is dense. It is super soft. And I imagine you would hold it like that. And I mean, you can do it like this if you want, I suppose. So yeah, that's interesting. It's so big. This is so large, but it has a good feel to it, you know? I'll definitely give this a try. I do like to look for ways to put my makeup on so that it doesn't look makeup-y. I try to achieve, you know, having my skin look like skin, and but sometimes when you put makeup on, it's just so obvious. So, you know, right now I'm using the sponge because that gives a really nice finish, but I'm going to try that and see what this does. 42 bucks, okay. And here is our palette. Now here's the thing. We have 2 palettes this month. This is the Sweet and Lavender palette by Oaklyn, and they retail for $22. Get them out of here. Let's see. Oh, they have it like sealed in there. Okay. So these are 9 color shadow palettes. So let's take a look at Sweet first. Oh yeah, that is very, okay, so it does have a protector on it, but it's different. It's like stuck to it this time instead of just laying on top. Interesting. Okay. It does have a mirror. Those are pretty. That's what those look like. Very pretty. Now let's see what the other one looks like. We're going to look at the lavender one. Okay. This is not as purpley as I thought it was going to be. So that's interesting, I think. But they do work well together. These would give you a nice, clean makeup. Clean makeup. It's not necessarily that the products are clean. It's you look clean. You don't look like you have makeup on. You're basically just highlighting what you have. You're just enhancing your natural beauty. You're not looking like you've got tons of eyeliner on and tons of blush and really sculpt your face out. I mean, clean beauty is a little bit more natural looking. So that's what that means. And colors like this will help you achieve that easily. So, okay, so we have 2 palettes, a kabuki brush, highlighter drops, mascara, and a liner duo for your lips. Very well worth it. I paid $25 and it values at $132 this month. And I paid $25. So I am very happy with this box. This is a great box. It really does include just the makeup, which is what I was after. And I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.